Hey there, super scientists. Are you ready for an awesome adventure? We're going to discover the super cool wonders of light and heat. Come on, let's go! Whoa, check out that beautiful sunny day. The sun is just beaming, isn't it? What do you think the sun is doing for us right there in that picture? I bet it's giving us something really, really important. That's right, our adventure today is all about sunshine. We're going to be detectives and uncover the amazing secrets of light and heat. And trust me, it's going to be a blast. But have you ever stopped to think, what are light and heat really for? I mean, why do we even need them? Well, let's find out together. Okay, first stop on our big adventure, let's dive into the magical world of light. Get those explorer eyes ready, everyone. Okay, so what do you think is the biggest, most important job that light has? Well, it helps us see. I mean, think about it. Without light, everything would be like you're in a giant, dark room with your eyes closed. Pretty cool, huh? That's a really good question, isn't it? If light is so important for seeing, where does it come from? Got any guesses? Of course, our biggest and best source of light is the sun. It is the biggest, the brightest, and it totally lights up our entire day. But what happens when the sun goes to bed for the night? Well, we can just flip a little switch and ta-da! We've got lamps to make our rooms all bright and cozy. Perfect for reading our favorite bedtime stories. Ooh, and what if we're outside at night? Maybe we're camping. A nice, warm, crackling campfire doesn't just keep us toasty. It lights up the whole area so we can see all our friends' smiling faces in the dark. Awesome job with light, everyone. Now, you ready for our next secret? Let's talk about heat. Can you think of things that make you feel all warm and toasty? So what exactly does heat do for us? Oh, it does a ton of important stuff. Like it helps dry our clothes when they're wet, it keeps us all warm and snuggly when it's cold outside, and it helps cook our delicious food. And here's a perfect example. Looks like something tasty is cooking on that stove. It's the heat that's making that food all hot and yummy and ready to eat. My tummy is rumbling just looking at that. But hang on a second. We have to be super, super careful around hot things. Now listen close, this is important. Stay away from the hot stove. The heat from the stove can burn you. That's a really big rule to remember so we can all stay safe. Okay, my awesome science explorers, get ready for a totally amazing secret. So, we learned about light, right? And we learned about heat. But what if I told you that the sun has a secret superpower that's actually both of them at the same time? It's totally true. The sun is kind of like a superhero. It's so incredible because it gives us both light so we can see and heat to keep us warm. Isn't that the coolest thing? But wait, there's more. The sun's light has another secret superpower. Have you ever seen these shiny blue squares on top of a house? Those are called solar panels, and what they do is basically like magic. So how does this magic superpower work? It's easy, like 1, 2, 3. First, the solar panels on the roof just soak up all that yummy sunlight. Second, the panels do their magic trick and turn that light into something we call electricity. And third, we get to use that electricity to power up everything in our homes, like our lights and even our toys. Wow, we learned so much today about light and heat and the sun's amazing superpowers. So I have one last question for you, my fantastic science explorers. What kind of sunny superpower will you find today? Keep your eyes peeled. See you on our next adventure.